we blow with the blow. She a me, blow with the blow. You don't envy if you blow with the blow. She a me, blow with the blow.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the exclusive show. I mean, it's all about the latest trend, and I'm here to just you with what is trending on the internet. So let me carry on my just more. You check what I'm fontaine time so, and on a medical show. My measures are a crowd one and I want J. Kunya, so sound J. Kunya, but more than I could J. Kunya, Abraham Kojin Kratwabano. But more than a J. Kunya, Tenasi Chame, we come and Wabasisia. Okay, so say me kai no aboa for me bua me timi di dwumadi e ba be so mo Sabo hotel o say dey so person relax here o ji wa home over the weekend and one Sabo hotel omo event grounds kese pa our year wedding outdoor programs bia eye ehubenya so benya event center no o call ma so ya o mbeboa mo wait my program no kama apart from that so omo onkunya so omo high wo ade ase e na yes our restaurant e wo poolside Asana hotel na ankasa so esa wo hono nti so opel week baby ajueni over the weekends there then and one Sabo hotel bomodi ana college on weekend na wa the masida bebrem sanso na make amfo Han York Estate Limited enso the area amount aya asase papa fie so opesa ode won na wankasa oye efiewura na okita wa okidi a ene no Han York Estate Limited omo asase de edafo mboko locations ni de Kasua Quantimpon no so nyina omo ho baby a omo ni problem when it comes to what land problems baby a ensase no so de dan de eda kama a wonya problem wa asase no so wonim say Easter we promotion Han York Estate Limited omo ye promotion iti bomode na tutumrika na bro maso ye na onyo omo bedi nsa wo so sanso na mekanfo York mineral water so ama ensu papa enwani York mineral water sanso na Adams clothing. Yeah, Adams clothing. So share the way my family who am see ya na Adams clothing and ama me share atade fefe ya me ti yiro yisen yira mun kania no ene bio ya se shia me ne ankasa me ama brand here ba kope ye kasa brand here ya wo ni tia wonim ni dada ye say ye kamfo achacha no na I mean ye kamfo ni mpin sem so brand here wa kwadare pa wa brabom. When it comes to lifestyle, celebrity lifestyle, yeah, now you're born into human life and so a branch or you're very good at that. And see, and then your pundits for today's show, Oboba, money man, I say, maybe I know the drippings now, I didn't get some point. And then what's red? Meaning so divorce day, yeah. So now if you walk out there, we shall fall beyond here, wife on here. Okay, damn, I say, I shall for ready and come in, mama, we could chop, but we rather unfortunate also a girlfriend. It's ready. Alright, so yeah, go straight to the main activities of the day. The Hytvgh Aberfontein time. So your first story of the day, and they say Ababa will be a Nigerian. You will be paying more Ghana. Na Oba Ghana no so no. Ne auntie, and I'm ne auntie so no will be paying more Ghana. Ne auntie so what pay Juma man say omra me wo Ghana. But Oba ye Juma na sa na ye Juma kro. Enye Juma na na bi Ababa no ordwen no. But rather Juma fufo ye two Juma. Asawe Juma. Yes. Na ye wo footages no e wo hodoma producer de beto woni ahwe ye hwe a na afi ya pensem since we are a bit into human life no na also de wo no na waka fa ho ma me nti yam twan oni yankotwe video ni mbra.
Were you aware of the work that you are coming to do before she brought you? Okay. So right now what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing anything. Okay. So what do you have in mind to do in future as you're in Ghana? Like, were you aware of the work that you are coming to do before she brought you? Okay. Okay. So right now, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing anything. Okay. So what do you have in mind to do in future as you're in Ghana? Like,
I want to be a musician.
be a musician.
Yes, I've always dreamt of being a superstar someday. People can hear me when I'm singing.
Okay. So, but you don't have any support?
No.
You don't have support. Okay. Okay. So if I'm to give you a beat, can you jam on it? Small freestyle. You give me small freestyle.
Yes.
Okay. Then but I drop a beat and now I'm just going to my say some here.
Alright, so now the share and no. The no ocean and brabo ma or talented or turn them account. Minia fancy say o sister na kosa or how we want cow be.
Minia me da was so mama konya amasaba platform no be share agin kakaka. E be da yeti fo ni afrefo nyina ase. No bi biara wa so mu ama ye dey nsem we ebrem. Minia ade very disheartened and very appalling because you can't say over people be bedi and no be then and
now
Udi uncle bit say wanted there ka ojini bi
exactly that's the point
want afro phone so and answer what your letter ka you say when you adwuma bi or other country bit ma pay you well now wo de akoma pa edi na chi aba country ni na be do ye na adwuma na yese wo de ma no say adwuma na ko adwuma foforo say adwuma foforo na be gu mu fin very 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 sad na enye Ghana nkwa na taxi esi wo amana no bebre ebo kwa Kuwait Dubai na do koso what I say na ye ko ni so ko adwuma pa be ko na ya shaw brand ye de ko ana say ye ko mo pretty enti we like amam me ra wo kakra ya say we na me first story am can wan say because osayo ba na again the o kasa kwa sa voice bia o to talented
yes
ndi anka we di anka na me sure that am Anthony no akade so yen so de ni be share some music production mu and on perico label man na go me
no so nya bad
nya bad now de ni be a prostitute and na cook up lady there very sad na we a footwear de man enwa man no ene ye ma memo so mu tu kwan a munye investigations here men job endi who took one because who took one without knowing where you are going. And I say the actual thing you are going to do and I didn't want to so eba because ka woni baby a wo ko na woni adwuma pot a wo be ya kam yesho so ba oba back Ghana and also be found wa oba strand the sea enti esa enquiries en won hia pa say who took one ya be sa enquiries e be boa because we dey make us very uncalled for. Minister Betima, I report my police when I catch any answer and so there. I don't know.
I was so now the mini abema so efa lady no issue no because where are voice I ask him to the extent say your own auntie like I said we putting so much trust I want auntie to that extent say oh ombra Ghana na ejuma paya man ombra mbe obaye nso a na asha wejuma mum na available man enti eja oninam nenam also risky ominia very risky
I say only baby or better what has it don't even come back to the because man of the
ampa
and now we Nigerian or you're citizen of the country
and also
I quite a man I am like stranded you know a moment also where we when I almost say bad mind no as I go head man for be inside check coin
yeah
but because one about street is so when you are probably an obi so ni mu a she will find herself in some like maybe anya bie no sako or no ko shim na e bra no kwa da ko waste
I waste
para senti we I don't know ye ba no interview no so mo bi obetuma boa na ana ye ka se won hu obetuma boa na omumu alede no.
Okay, so achefo a mo hwe fifie ene echichi ni benche yina yesere mo yenua bai ne ho akwadwa mu ohia mo akese pa. She's talented, very okay, can sing very well, lyrically inclined. Inti se wo hwe na obetima boa na abomonde na waboa ye sister no. Now advice nso a ye de be ma ye sister no ze wetima adwane fifie no onhwe na na mo yi na Ghana na ewo no we asena ye hu yes sir obi betimi de nemfofo adane ne de ne kwaye into one very careful that I was say now yeah moving on to the next story yanka say ni obe ma obede ba ku ya thank you yes wasa kan ku bi na de ende extremely different altogether where exceptional what I say now ade a menua be ma ka no menene ya adwen bebre ba say yan kire mu an kire wa you won't understand what it means into the yanko ne yanko hwe near Ochre, no, I'm so make it tweet to be into Yanko reading out the tweet, then from there we'll get back to you. Okay, so the Aminia Bema of the Akyem, I say staying indoor when I touch down. GH Zoom calls only. Hashtag 4 prizes. Hey, where copy more Twitter because Andrew Ankasa I'm in 3 days. Uko Twitter now there because people are making comments about this thing which people don't really get the understanding. Internet or what they must say in Kwade. He's going to assist so that we break this thing down for you all to get the understanding of it very well. Let me repeat it again. Obede said on Twitter that staying indoors when I touch down. GH Zoom calls only. Hashtag 4 prizes. Now Oshe hashtag no so Oshe image no so baby I am say total filling station omo 4 pumps ni bi readouts no figures ni bi na pop up. Say 8 cities. Say 4 on kwenenim. Every Wednesday be I increase 4 prizes for Ghana. Intimidate we obra na abekasa we obra pin no be dey.
Stay indoor when I touch down GH. Zoom calls only. And one say Oba Ghana onye sika o de beto fuo because be chinchin fuo no arise. What is the price is now rising? To onye sika o de beto fuo egu kam ade chinchin ago share the business tycoons and ago share the business partners and as a music video. What I say because OPB is to fuo. Na fuo the price is now go so now. What ga be? Into be it does not be inside no Zoom course. We tweet you about saying medasi and I'm like many saji so sakode bu na ene am asa tweet Ghana yeah trawa ya mistake
they intina
trawa intina me sa initiative we ba say fix the country no sa demonstration ba en na energy on because apparently e ba ye no I'm not being politicized another mere politics and I'm mere propaganda. About rebellion or share bobi. I'm part. O manya ni da so bi enwusa ka brabo ni be fala. Amaye. O manya arehemu bi say abrabo na ka ebe live no. Akara say dey live abrabo wa botwe. I'm part. Ba ase bibia game. Because me nim kwa like this year 2022 half of the year kwaro ya took 4 prize almost 3 times or 4 times
of course
adenesa adenesa aban no nana akufo on to the nancy from no nye bibi maye netimemfo one ukwaduma no upon a month so salary beba e twa 300 400 500 600
and put the theater crack
that's carry ubere no way tax the free eyi on match up money free asa the better fool say ye nya revenues kase bi anasa we adwuma bi na nya pay kase na auto na fool on their only problem wala say ba we capital bi only salary papa bia ba na we bia two no mem you fool like is that scanner ko eze unya salary scanner ko eze wodi die tofu any samina that cosmetics normal groceries no ma enye sa say ye juma ye benye bi so save ne da bo brother achi
of course
but say juma na ko we ye juma na scanning ya the tofu uri say ye scan government dey try kan or say private worker dey try kan na we say the scan say come government
unim there SIA yakra ne say during the election time I'm not trying to be many political bias I say, and also I'm not going into politics. There's an entertainment show which we bring it like it bro each and every time. But sometimes no TT me mufona yo or my no yam pushi ya sometimes and paying for no beti a console be brave.
Yes.
Because one when omo beba no and I say omo ye campaign no omo me eti right from nanado ejuma be busu ebe busu pa to the extent say outsiders will even come in.
Yeah.
Eba be ejuma ema aketua ne be kama. And so I said now ejuma ni krom. Sa so na John Venze Dr. Mahmoud Bamia economics. Ono so be ka be economy ni be soft. Ene economy na den na ye hu de no. Jombo edu. Ono so ba ye be ka bi. Say yan toma na nado ne toma na bibia besesa ejuma be koso sikasem be kama nanso ye hu ano enti minua echirima na omoba no yempo ne ye brese ne echirima no be de
amenya even sakode onu woni ni sika papa bi di esu a na menem obere na onu obo ne ba almost 50 years ago no onu ebi so o scan bi di no all go nya problem look about social complain then how much more me here
but this is very sad because just imagine say oye bosume ejuma and I say oye young boy now oye bosume ejuma na etia 400 Ghana cedis a month now 400 Ghana cedis no ukwa sorry into be you tight you say 10% into 10% na abeka hin and say na obi a wo high down obetua utilities obefa lorry fare in and out a would be coffee uko ejuma obani na ube didi na pa obe didi ewie obe didi enumboy I know that many abema back me need him come some time back make a change say Accra on oba Accra is stay by plan
we don't eat twice
you mistake now did 3 times untimi ye Japan
3 times twice we did it 2 times
enti ye no say me ye sheshe eduane die mu timing instead of say okay what's your breakfast like 7 o'clock ye be share 11:30 to 12 now akama lunch account
about
nti ekofie ni yen asapa ne dia ne de ye de akondem bibia when ni yesre na na do ne mpemfo na omunye bibi kakra emfa youth no because youth no we stand for everything youth no ni one man o man no entimi nkoso sinti na ye pacho because ye mpe afi 2024 they will still be knocking on our doors visiting houses house to house campaign vote for him now at the end of the day no some political party in power na fe yen so ye ba bebre
me only be wa ade bi aba maju say ade fuel price ye koso ye to anom da be share Russia ne Ukraine to wa
oh me dey share that
anom da be share coronavirus nom da omudi share ma anom yo omudi aba 211 so say dia ko area ne ncha 11 so I do not me so mususu oh because one Russia and Ukraine produce gas and oil what I say and you because I've never be auton indomie area or ekasa o say fighter oil the oil price akoso
asemo
amasa like omu ko to sa body fighter number who ye dwane so santo enti who ko ya na wo bai
area sun dia ayedin pa nti isia no me hu asempo amenka isia empemfo na na sia try to be an entrepreneur on our own ye try say be entrepreneurship no so no here lies the case say obey your products be kokrom si ento
oh entrepreneur without capital are you entrepreneur
era the esa baffle me most cry yemi abaya ne papa wu na nsia if you Schwarzenegger now we chief of staff wey 50,000 Ghana cedis e the amount abra ukọ Bechem Maimu secondary school omo ICT lab they don't even have computers there
Sad story in the Kabia, like a high station be here.
But all the same, yeah, keeping mute in here too.
The camp beaches here, stories of Manu Rema, a company be here by all means.
That's just by the way, stories in the dorsum. Send me kind of you may call Mosoya, some intimidate you made a bro, Sarabo Hotel, or more event center, so yeah, wedding, outdoor, be beer, wedding, and that's outdoor occasion, be our person who hold ya, or the commercial, or member, or Marshall, or Caswanian Road, Junction, be a friend, American Junction. So I quite important. I would be so paying you, Castle shares Sarabo Hotel, or more home amount. They are ready to receive you. Omo receptions so you're very okay, very nice. Omo nye basa basa my phone draw. They receive you in a nice way. So also now, me come for York Estate Limited so the amount. And say papa fee. So also now York Mineral Water so another sponsor and Adam's Clothing. Now you chebako the next story. The next story no yemi aba a broadcaster e Ghana say. The car broadcasters now ebi mo adwan kwakosi na na aba na mo aso da bi enye na aba na mo we ya ye nuaba one of the feminists here Ghana say Bridget Otu. She stands for women. She really stands for women and I love the way she does her things. And wabeka say ye papa dampare ya ye nitua IGP1 the very first and best IGP in Ghana. Omo arrested Abrante bia why or tries obey sexual assault to one woman. Now you go tweet now yes sister you know now you will I have video now for your studio have discussing here ko. Okay, so producer. Me bacho okay now producer go so share video ni ti afi na why crowd or the video no tuja ama ahwe for ahwe amaye. Okay, so where Twitter Bridget Otu send ma yes sister papa dampare or say broadcaster Bridget Otu calls IGP to make action on man who assaulted sex worker. Me producer for video ni to my wife.
Madam Bra.
Oh, I'm in general.
Why say
Masa, I didn't know about right on him, I'm not going to get a meat son. Oh, me to them. Me tell me, I'm black. Me tell me, I'm better.
Leave my talk.
Madam, leave him.
Oh, now we know about no baby. I know who bono didn't order power now. Bona pay.
What's if you can't me? I never found my
Muja,
I'm never from her. I'm from Watchland. I'm from one below.
See, Apple, you are report you.
One below. Better watch the baby. Better watch.
Madam, Jack.
Madam Bra.
Oh, I'm in general.
Why say
Masa, I didn't know about
right on him, I'm not going to get a meat son. Oh, me to them. Me tell me, I'm black. Me tell me, I'm better.
Leave my talk.
Madam, leave him.
Oh, now we know about no baby. I know who bono didn't order power now. Bona pay.
What's if you can't me? I never found my
Muja,
I'm never from her. I'm from Watchland. I'm from one below.
See, Apple, you are report you.
One below. Better watch the baby. Better watch.
Madam, Jack, madam. Hey, why? I didn't know about Jesus. Why?
I am.
Okay, so many of them are sending a contract footage no where sexual assault a very big one. Now
With sexual assault. We don't have to share any chance say. The man in that day we back at Chiaka.
Yes, girl was a sex worker.
Ah, oh, okay.
Oh yeah, and
I service in a way.
I'm service in a way. No, when Tiano was a bon account.
Very bad.
Anything I hear Sister Bridget Otu, I say, okay, so Bridget Otu make it rating, and the rating I say, you use a government vehicle number GV 12616 to pick a commercial sex worker. After enjoying yourself, you fail to pay her and physically assault her. That is to Ghana Police Service. Let's find him and arrest him. I also want to find the woman. She needs help. So please, let's locate her. So now we're Asema Yenyaba Bridget Otu and so MK here.
So that means the person involved a government worker.
Or a government worker or government vehicle.
Wow.
Now the car number no my head. We have two jam.
GV 12616.
Yes.
Okay.
Or commercial sex worker.
I said na dey are also ngwala individual.
Abusement in adults.
How can you book a lady, have sex with her, then later on beat her up without giving her the money?
I say
wait, without wasting much time. IGP, Dampare, what they can just bring that guy to book. Find that guy and somehow in the car, the number plate.
Yes, we're easy to trace.
The guy no, not punishment bears on face. Now lady do she lady no.
What's your car no? Sir, secondary school.
We met on my report about Trimude. Na not Trimude. Uncle stress our sex worker no. No any change pomo. Na Trimude mi so betima any lady need to choose because
where is sexual abuse?
Lacking
police a gata no one sim or one is gata ni man ko say prana crime.
Very bad. Somebody na call Ghana like yeah funny way I be solve our issues with.
Because I share video now utie voice na we na. I say nipa no or chat video no bisa ni say gain leading into this act or say poverty. Ayo hia na edwumani o
skaya
nti sanka aban we ese kwa na kwakosia aban so aban ya edwuma wa create jobs opportunity and obi eye bia and at least many abay on finding themselves into this commercial sex work
me I'm not mean to be say sex work no and as edwuma no wo ye bone and I mean to mean jira nka say papa ba nake lady no so the first poverty cry the poverty man ebetima me nipa kunipa na me bo
of course
ba what dream ube say bone na okodi what are the still if poverty cry na scan ho chiro cry say dia we need right so be pun bi all sa na America lady we say at least say you want in your kwa find something suitable adebi anake papa at least penso bi ton kwa what I say, so we don't watch sexual works and this thing when you side effects.
I saw the end of the day.
On the way side
contracted diseases.
On the way experience. Because no one say oh now we are cheap. What I say, you know what the way come in and mean choka. That's the work you are doing. Me cause the Ghanaian here. They be me to be young big station and a big platform in Casa. Ba adwuma no ye enso nye wala say ye kwani ndi onyachi ana skechi enye no bi enservata wala say
that one is very true
kwani ndi no bi echi but the guy dey say you bring that guy to book e say IGP Ghana Police mo chase aparo na mo de mo punish no money interest ka bi mo samani ko dem because me assault a lady like I give you oye okwa na say do you like many they are important. Me both for pa.
Obeyansu now some married man bio with children. Ebia o say like sa omo wo echire no to say be kwai ne memo on secondary school teachers drivers no. say mostly no omo de omo bosses ne ba nkran for ibi workshops and as a seminar. Ego ade omo be moving na ade asa so they have to sleep by or stay in a hotel. Now, all stay in the hotel maybe or call kofa or barry.
No, for them you need scout of
and only asem no.
Ah. I don't know, we didn't quite answer you.
Well, a futu Emma, yemu mano, and more especially more sa ejuma wemo, and as it says, kind of work wemo. Because who was our work women? One show musuya, you always have yourself to be troubled. And that's obiba bokwa. Now I hear basakwa. Into yen share ye more especially a man or more yes, no matter Ubeko club near there, they don't hang around you. Or me say you're from a commercial sex workers. No. You have to be very careful with yourself.
Only that last Saturday me call Osu. Now, me tackle Osu, but last Saturday me call and baby now be count.
Check.
Charlie,
Osu here
from Osu corner bar. Me see
Firefly,
like who trouble you like and mama I
almost
share on namo.
When the far bloom by any one if the far bloom by any copium or sabia choba a doing bra forget it.
Yeah, badly like a mom fine ladies almost like 1, 2, 3, 4 you like say no like no omu kwazo ma wiper so e bia na wo attention come here is your say oye bibi na won say yes or Ghana is na Ghana you can say enye bi sao say dey Ghana we bia won so find yourself into no but please mo say you online na say mo online and then now go judge one sex online or anything e friend hook up no omo platforms we brave. But I mean, big platform also now. Mention more events and apps now. We use it for some. Oh, what kind of story be? But last day, when I call, me call our side. Me call na me ban Flagstaff outside. And now I imagine. My bread pan na. Who lady be o? Let me say oh, I dey san. Yeah. And you nyaka. Now me park me car and buy pepe. Boy, PPP. Then I did catch up say. I don't know me like me boy bent him. Ejuma na also there be. But me so I extra ne job come fuka na me there. We go see the baby. We go see the baby oko. Who dey dey catch up? What can you so ya kala? What's that ya waka? Ọ̀kẹ́jì sọ òyìn ọkà that means ọ̀nà ọ̀yẹ́ sex worker. Ejuma ni sọ mi ibùkínú náà mi nà kò fi. Ejuma mi ibùkínú à mẹ fara tọrọ ṣe dà kọ́ ẹ̀. Wọ́n tẹ́ omi àwọn just trying to give a helping hand. Ṣe ẹni mìíràn mu ọmọ nínú àwọn ṣe àfọ̀gẹ̀tì ọmọ náà wọ́n abẹ́ kyerẹ́ òbí bí ọmọ wọn fẹ́ literally. Ẹ mi ṣọ́kì yẹ. Alright, so now your stories now ayẹ bebree nti egusi ayẹ dẹ. Yeah, moving on. So you're moving on to the next story. Yeah, Brush Shatawale. I think over last week or so, ne won sembe bre eba bonten say wa abandon ne mame na a whole Shatawale otuske gupa na ne mame aba bonten castle oni baby dia ne rent aso na akoda ne titi issue ni bi na Shatawale aba bonten abe clear doubt ni na. So let's just go watch the video. We'll get back. We'll just have the discussions going. Thank you. Let's move.
I can't wait for my mother. You're modest. The way you project things, you're modest. And some of you when you talk about my mother, you know get money watch your mother, and you go face that thing. Me, where are the throw money, are the share money. Me, where are the dash people money, are the give people money. Me, where are the show people cash, I buy people cars. Me, I know if you watch my mother. Your mother. I can't rent for my mother. You're modest. The way you project things, you're modest. And some of you when you talk about my mother, you know get money watch your mother, and you go face that thing. Me, where are the throw money, are the share money. Me where I dash people money, I give people money. Me where I show people cash, I buy people cars. Me, I know if you watch my mother. Your mother.
Okay, so I should for Shatawale and our ordinary Nubian saying, you know, how I bet to Jano. Or say, or more church or evil about him, you know, your Mefan Traso, I if you can see so, make a problem. Me like I'm a beca. I'm a producer, I'm a say, Bema have a tray, pay 170 and a trick, sign, my chair sign. But I don't know the reason why our bloggers know or more putting Shatawale into a mess like this. Minia, what is your take on this?
Me Shatawale mami fie. Any Shatawale nso fie. Any bloggers nso fie. And I mean blogger also here the ecosystem. But the meeting I can say you can't be a boo baby say room on be a bit could be a 3 year old the crack ticket oh I say and it's a really because of what I said me
because so ocean video very well
because my friend interview beer yeah interview my man
in the scene I said it's either the woman is speaking the truth and I say shatter na eka no kre no and I said they want some publicity keke
bro you know something there is some issue between Shatter and his mother
okay
omo issue Shatter and mama issue if you video ni Shatter wale ka say my me be na dey ne baba be to social media aka tell say ne on try ne man try rent Shatter wale boss ka say mami bia be na be sadi. So what I say there is some issue I need and I mean Jesus say wale betra say mami end that street so abro betuma see that amano and I say obetuma to die. I say
wale wa philanthropist.
What are you saying?
Ochade.
Anything about like and some no me can straight away because
was my here.
Yes, my friend mami interview I busa mama no mama say am pan rent as one only score betia. What is it? I know wale nso wa ha also chiche be say there be just na bloggers na be say good animals. And that why I'm not confused. The government can say wale how much is a house to wale? And if you go what find mama be 3 months.
Na le ma me hinfa
America that is another issue because America kwa to dayama wale man. And there was stories my I some way be it that Kenya wale mo na ke friend na wale mo na be chichiri. And I say nya wale mama na wale mama na be chichiri. And obi oben wale.
All issue no very critical so I believe say we have to dive deep into this issue and then bring out the way our information is no. You basically are public, you know, almost I understand the issue because recent time, you know, ne mama call one of our sister station, I call grant interview so the rent a song. Now we need baby or better, the banner into the rent scanning on my number baby. Shatawale on so about out and so have so then because on being a philanthropist or no dashing out scar or man cast now ne mama or won ampa any baby daddy then it's not true. So we are here to find out whether what the woman is saying is really true and as what Shatawale is saying is true. So without knowing the truth of this matter, Padia, I don't think we can buy into Shatter's idea, neither will we buy into the mother's idea too.
But we can't we have a man bloggers. Se bloggers no asama mo carry enye no cry. Of course. This social media that we call social media, we have a positive way and we want the negative side. It is a wood some better social media no go any more. Musa also the beba. Musa also the bar, send a bay. Wale, come on, Manaya. Shatawale, come on, Manaya. Because we catch Shatawale or platform we are so. So wale egwu obi animals ano your bar. E kate obani se obani ya shawo. Obani ye prostitution juma. Obani ye big bang emagana. and the wallet so be control go so na ya ya dia wu try no and then so na so ye dey like ka dey ade o try bia no the one that so betwa and the wallet na man ya kra because so gu ko fun fi bebre adu be ko ka say regional store oni dan na ne papa dan ya regional store ne papa dan ya wo sin na o team and the wallet o be ka say sa kware kwa oni hwe and the wallet wo ne say bloggers ni digu so man enye won amen superman complaining sa na so tie ba me dem future me dem mama bloggers say omunyai pero man tie wallet dia na ono ka na mo so man ye bi entia no. Why? Now Munya Sanoma.
That's a real dude. A real story though here. So this from our very own Oboba. Just watching our dream based on what just happened. Now recent time no bra Wale and Subabon Tibe cancer sa egu yemi aba jaka pie ni mase na ene aba be no 10. Yes the ultra yes oyon okoto se oyon ko na body say share na we sensu esi di ehun nti ebia na ato enua be ma no nti on relax on calming itself down because still we move, we are in the situation together. Now you're moving on to the next story. The next story happens to be my very own mentor. Me papa ba kope. Yes, you can't say papa we are na me pese minya profile bi na me de ma papa no, because I truly love this man to the extent say you're young but business conscious, young but business minded. A branch here, yeah, but kind of story no, your friend no, Nana Bediakun, Jacob Caesar. Nana Bediakun, Jacob Caesar. Now, aka Mr. Freedom. Exactly. Independence Square. Yeah.
Mr. Freedom.
I say, Bank of Ghana must focus on falling cedi rather than focus on failing cedi rather than get to be I'm the producer wa mama outlining it. So what are you story na Cassandra na ye ba na afeyede enkayena ayre also. Okay, so producer my outline I say good morning Ghana. Our city is depreciating almost 8 cedis to $1. I think the Bank of Ghana has more to worry about than a freedom coin that is not even launched. Now me say good morning Ghana. Our city is depreciating almost 8 cedis to $1. I think the Bank of Ghana has more to worry about than a freedom coin that is not even launched. Now the Mimi Abema cheddar Akyem no. Since our business failed mono, I want you to let's deliberate upon this. Let's see the foresight of this.
I did tell tweet with Bayern. And one say I am freedom. Over this week, it's a Monday and now I don't know if it was any Wednesday. It's a Monday back. On the postie of $100 million
in his account.
The freedom account.
Yeah.
Coin based cryptocurrency. Into about 20 say when you $100 million done it. Sign the account in. What I think about 20 now scars can who don't find it. And no Bank of Ghana go for be investigation found. Now I want to back say Sani sika we all mobile investigation found. Shana man na mo from our dream call CD na failing no. What I say was see adio bebre hu nya ma omo so mo investigation won. Na nya ono ne scanner better account no. And sika na genuine. What I say?
Oh, because the man is business man.
The man is a business tycoon. And the scabbies have a total account on about that. Now, who began to say, Sakadeni problematic, and other problem be on one about the account.
I'm from back.
Now, why a person didn't know to trouble? And the Bank of Ghana, I'm afraid of the Canadian.
Yes, the man is
focusing on city now, depreciation. City in the head of 8 cities.
Because that was last week, because it's $100. I think yeah, mommy 690 cedis.
You bab. And you don't know them focus no much more. Say if the fundamentals are weak, then the exchange rate will expose you. And I don't know some focus. They won't forget it. Obi schedule accounting. Now I'm better move about. Scan fame for the buy. Scan coin. And then what's it?
I didn't pour lunch you. And so look at how the critics
So what's the problem?
See, say I am more in pain for almost a young ones no ever any swadin one on person come wash.
When you are somebody here, na more good, na more juma. Na more by nature.
Yes.
Na more by any.
Or register any felt it. They enjoyed it.
I was a young boy. I wasn't so baby.
I know one particular man or Tituba. Or investor in a money business name. The money the guy made and send us issues where you never pedal up and all. If they had allowed him to work continuously, I believe they
perform in a dance, I don't want to pay. Almost a young guy be up, poppy up, or make him. Then they will try any means, someone about bringing that person down. That shouldn't be so. Ghanaian, we shouldn't be that like that evil. Yeah, be here, I somewhere be. Obi because one person bringing down. The last time I can a Japan can be ever many G. Or since almost Obi because one. Beno. Nebuza. Yeah, I'm aware that air don't show me. But we don't like it now.
Yeah, critics too much. Criticizing all over.
I don't find the fault.
Any man saying it's almost shame. Oh, she shared accounts my day. The guy during that time, Corona time, ordering Oxford Street Hotel, no, Edema, I buy Enfa, Corona patients to Kogumu. Why not quite investigation about him? Or dash out cars, no, Edema, and for places to lay their heads, no. Why the council coin investigation about him? Now that he's about to launch his coin, Freedom Coin India, people are investigating. Bank of Ghana, Governor Abba Bontin said Ghanaians should be very careful with the man. Now, it be a happen pain. It be a happen pain saying, where cryptocurrency you?
Cryptocurrency, a business also the all the back.
On the back of what you know.
What's your problem?
It is also the youth out there are making big time money out. And through these things, and a music film. And they are not Ghanaians and a Bank of Ghana and paying for. They haven't read anything about cryptocurrency. They have to what? Go and do their homework. They should go and read cryptocurrency. Now, the details about this business. I know what to buy you to your treasure bills. Ask yourself, say, is your treasure bills working? Who invested into a treasure bill? Now it gets to a timer. Will you get it back? They will not pay you all. But if you invest into this, at the end of the day, it goes into your dollar account. And one of the young boys need to make you. It is and paying for them descend it down. Now, my dream no my proper planning to give the man a license to operate. I believe say a boy youth no, because the man is in for the youth. Because Ochina menu mienu na say ye kita ye Bugatti bi ana ye Bugatti ni podi akwa echire. Corolla S. Corolla S poni e pulina obi atin 3-bedroom apartment mo. I mean, it's because of what we've invested and we are enjoying from it. So there is a timer. I buy anything in a messy film. Not why you be like this for the youth in the country. This is almost shaky because the news the guy will be like the youth will go into him like definitely or be standing for Ibia political rebound. This man, the way I'm seeing this man, I'm going near any politics with Ibia. That was just by the way. I don't kind of very odd. The exclusives we talk about everything. Exclusive show we talk about entertainment, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about fashion, we talk about anything. Things are ever improving the youth's life. No? That is what we talk about. And the negative aspect too, we criticize upon it. That is what we are here for. And that is the reason why we are opted as what? The best entertainment show so far. Alright, so let's move on to the next story. Hey! Say more minutes here. You are gonna you can't say you have a Chelsea club. Yeah, turn Chelsea all because of what? Russia ni the CEO of Chelsea. Now, CEO now omo kontokwa omo ni Ukraine e won tokwa ide. Now omo asset bu UK e was there oton. Now asset no wo UK no Chelsea club. Now me want you Abrantie no Chelsea any dey Benzen Ibrahim dey Abramovich cause me football dey manage on nti me share ni mo mudi sa ajaze onye Ghana ni minimum nti o nti me fast am waje ndi MFC me that because I know him ajaze me fan of football sir, so I really didn't know the guy's name. So until say better say young say papa Ashanti regional MPP chairman wuntumi CEO Oma chairman wuntumi TV and wuntumi radio and osa into gold business. Abrantie is another papa is opeso auto Chelsea club no na auto for amount now me to say
3
billion pounds. Hey, it's a lot of money.
I'm laughing.
It's a lot of money. I mean, I say, what should I do? I don't mean to.
So me can't be man no kase. Me tomato. Sa Timina. Say IGP and a police.
I'm not going to show account.
There be on bet me. Yes. Yes sir. IGP. I'm Ghana police. I'm match me.
Then say
I can't pass some sir.
That's how I am.
We do story now. And then if you don't have okay story, you say you Jawa. We do story no.
NG chairman want to me. Also so Chelsea. Bam. Hey. So akwe ne wo bi ama ye nua be ma twene Jonas wo ni tell Abrantie na ochinkwa asem kan kwa asem. Now, Trini Jonas, I will be making things very clearer. Say, uncle fix it. The handicaps want the region nimu. Now, forget the Chelsea no person here. Otono. Now, as I mean, it sounds good. What Kenyan say? Once in his lifetime, Trini Jonas wakasa ama akamakuma. Yanko she. Na yeba obo ebeboy na ya discuss asem na asem me nkwa mint discuss the movie.
Augustine Adu say Untumi said he's going to buy Chelsea club on the dam no abojano na dwenya adwuma. Isaac Adu say shout out to bi anyame show bibia chama Untumi na dwenya adwuma nkwase akeka nkwa wo sika odubeto Chelsea club umantamu a ye chama kwan ni nyina tutu from Sofia Besi Abreport Junction, from Swami Besi Merkuru, so from even Asanteman Secondary School anymore, I work KJT and Finfini to Abre. That's what MPP for a Jimmy to Asante region, Nipo School, not Sakwasia with Cromine or Mamma the position. So contract be back. Nasi say contract ne will be because Antifuina or better that kind. No, what Yasia was sign. My obi on him the ditro on him book kind. Chama abra nipa wiwe school gu fie enya adwuma nya Jimmy Kwameka masa Jimmy Faso ni so. Augustine Adu say Untumi said he's going to buy Chelsea club on the dam no abojano na dwenya adwuma. Isaac Adu say shout out to bi anyame show bibia chama Untumi na dwenya adwuma nkwase akeka nkwa wo sika odubeto Chelsea club umantamu a ye chama kwan ni nyina tutu from Sofia Besi Abreport Junction, from Swami Besi Merkuru, so from even Asanteman Secondary School anymore, I work KJT and Finfini to Abre. That's what MPP for a Jimmy to Asante region, Nipo School, not Sakwasia with Cromine or Mamma the position. So contract be back. Nasi say contract ne will be because Antifuina or better that kind. No, what Yasia was sign. My obi on him the ditro on him book kind. Chama abra nipa wiwe school gu fie enya adwuma nya Jimmy Kwameka masa Jimmy Faso ni so. Augustine Adu say Untumi said he's going to buy Chelsea club on the dam no abojano na dwenya adwuma. Isaac Adu say shout out to bi anyame show bibia chama Untumi na dwenya adwuma nkwase akeka nkwa wo sika odubeto Chelsea club umantamu a ye chama kwan ni nyina tutu from Sophia Besi Abepo Junction, from so I'm Besi Merkru, so from even Asanteman Secondary School anymore, I work KJT and 15 to a break. That what MPP for na Jimmy Nti Asante region na nipa oko school na takwase ya wekro ma ye o mama ni position se contract bi ba na se say contract na ewom ni ebeku asantefo nyina obeda kan no wate ase no wa sign maye obi a onim ni di tro onim buku kan chairman abra nipa wiewie school gu fie enya adwuma nya Jimmy nko ameka masa Jimmy faso ni so.
That's right. That was a great shot from Trini Jonas, the man of the moment. I just say, you catch Trini Jonas, a branch, you know, the guy, you know, I don't know, say Trini Jonas or Bagano Befa Kotoka International Airport. On the again, yes, on the video to them. Hey, any man, what did Nana Dumu in at them? And anyway, Mr. Ghana or Bepano. Now, Bagana. Airport near Makope. Kotoka, and this of our pronunciation. We're sure. I will say that, I mean, Trinidadians, Okayano, I mean, I think, say, upon all what we heard, what we actually heard from them, you know, Trinidadians is also making a sense here.
Trinidadians, some official started signing online in Bash, you know, supporting that. But not them supporting. Because Ghanaians, ye Jimmy too much. Ye Jimmy to the extent say, I may do benefit. I'm a benefit Jimmy. Abo, ye like we are creating country now. Man, I say jokers in the group. How can or a politician?
I won't be a politician. Only Ashanti regional
common chairman, only a politician. Common chairman. Oh, Ashanti Roji. Me Ashanti Roji. Papa me pen asem da. How can you? I can say Uber out. I bet be one. I can say Uber Chelsea 3 billion.
I mean, I know Oscar.
Uber Chelsea 3 billion. Oscar, sorry.
I don't know if he's also a businessman.
Oh, you're businessman. You're business. A man. Oh, yeah. Also, I can say a politician. Also, a miner.
Why involve a politics and bim. Or my what he said, or a businessman. And a businessmen are those who covered by that.
I bet also maybe a TV station, new radio station.
Oh, say MPP Bapa.
MPP Bapa. And then I'm a politician or a miner. Oh, relax. No, a miner. I don't know. Or a miner. I don't know. One be a TV station, be a radio station.
We are no alliances here.
Now we always count me licenses.
Oh, say, all the MPP Bapa and then chair. In Tabby, I'm
what can say MPP Mapa was one of the licenses? What are you saying?
And that's all money bit my man and your easy license to operate.
The man is joking. Wait, and make us say, wait, I do all claim. And kiss IGP. I'm going to face straight number channel. No more investigating. We got 3 billion pounds in years. Can we go? 3 billion.
You are not figures, no. What the last be complaining about online there? We can what? I say, if you are not to me on Tisicana, I say. Into a woman figures in here, no one scanning the way.
Now we work at the try top. So one sharp scanner here, they talk at church, you know, only. Call him like just so station. On should have been calling interview or station. No, I'm
breaking down, man.
No choice station, no one break it down, man. No, one realize this carrying on more cargo or baby. 3 billion pounds on all those, all the stars scanner never get 11. All the scanner, the club, what it is, you know. Ghana, 1 billion, and I got to go near us ye. Almost 1 billion, you was got to go near us. I don't know what was but on the okay, so oh yeah, some player on the bomb Real Madrid. Relax, only players also up. Also to Ronaldo, out of Messi, not to Vinicius Junior, Madrid.
I'm not gonna any credit account.
Or the more you or the more you we now Mukaze. Now the you where even Dangote echo Arsenal, so go to Arsenal and Tottenham. Now we would do. I can Ghana switches a people are not personal. Who call you?
If you are not on pay, person dey never can. Sa list of group.
One a man anymore now. One a honey a good anymore because of on pay.
Oh, say
the one who show the wealth or the gold bars not to honor. One person anymore.
Recently, also see palace.
And then I will catch them. Obi ekwe interview no ni fie nche o ka say o me fie de na hu o say me so mu palace o ba ko interview no so bodi no onu bodi no onu be ka say onu ye man that network Ghana one network ko 3 billion pounds.
Oh say I ka say gold bars no calculating kan we
o ya man
e bi na de one account
o ya man bofu a ya man bofu
the gold bars no calculating can we
me say sa de no kan no maybe o ka for jokes and say o ka for trends
since na earlier me say e be figures no want to ask
yes and I make
so also mo break it down
politician what say opposition no say sami jemfi mo opposition like omu kan no man na attend them kakra no mo say ba down and I me sure kan e go say na say the lawyers you can say
omu ko you
me check business omo person mo to Chelsea no omo ya 3 onu kwa ndi poni business no mo ya 3 onu kwa ndi MPM ye o Ghana o ri adwumeji agwana ni so be to Chelsea aba kotoko ne has wo ehia impuntu ehia so be invest wo ana ko invest wo ana say rules end up chiri Jonas kai ni rules na access no that retarded rules some rules na who to be for who trick na bumpy say no onko ye ni efo ye man ni munyam okwa ye can say amasama mo ni kaso road access ana first time
that's all in the region
Ghana
what's all in the region
also them because of politician they won't dream say who be a my country but look at another government no and then another entity me road another invest
oh say ebia bibi kakra ho support MPP
niya o support MPP I don't know why untimi buy untimi omo buy on buy ben what untimi aye bibi aye who the body but dem akuse untimi aye kwan and I was see toilet and I was see bi or I was school Odo Koto Chelsea 3 billion. Hey, let's come what Moses has can 3 billion pounds. Pounds is a nice city. Pounds is a nice city 26 pesos. The for 19 26 pesos calculating. Me check 3 billion pounds online I am figure no. They ma I'm shocked. They ma 1 billion pounds. That money is not a small money, huge money. And then you UK for no get me to who was getting UK? Arab need any bit of Chelsea. Tell me a Chelsea fan. And you know, one town one the jokes. No, yes, I don't hear.
Okay, so this was a very hard one from Oboba. Chairman, me so say because team ni yani di anything no like no like I support Chelsea. I Branton also supported Chelsea. So Ebani saying Zana hit it too much. Hit it too much. So let's move on to the next story. Alright, so before I ever call the next story, no, you try and work a crack or you have one phone crack. Now you bar now the next story no appeal so. But before you ever call into the next story, no, I have another question based on one to me issue no. The mami ankasa mini pana on cheche mu kakra ere en cheme nti e twa en wa bai nya abotre mami
I'm some of you
2 p.m. any ebe PM wa abonten frame me ba
because I've actually a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice, but the attorney said this is
sorry.
Your form was on what and Pesua and Pesua, so you sure pa.
So nobody.
Such a what dear Christus and Pandy, now Unamon, ever travel.
on konkron eyo nyame onimade
na me ye papa habidi serati
na coach Samuel Buadu Emma House of Folk or in Sambi Etujani Bufuye pa na videos.
What was the problem? No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh, entertainment never dies.
Okay, so I should for some more ever show so where the exclusive show, the only #1 entertainment show in Ghana and beyond. What you say? So only Jinkunya, Bomadiana Jinkunyana, and let the studio to my hot spa with the man himself, of Boba, with me here in the studio. Then you should understand, sir, we are giving you nothing but the best of all what the entertainment gist and also what is trending. What you see? Shia. Nti ya mutera mame na oboba oze na ye ka wuntumi asem bi ansa na ye dane ye nkoye am say wo akoya santini a ofri Ashanti region no I believe say ye wo nkro bi wo hon ma e bi crampo no enkane akra ni ho
yes
nti fani say wuntumi aba so auto Chelsea no or what a huge amount of money ni wo ho no mo yeah now what like as serious being an Ashanti guy from the Ashanti region and then seeing your native brother going to buy Chelsea for £3 billion. If two men are the best
who say because Bapano or Casawi and I see a channel or Casa and I like any sika who never or Saskan on account any sika but Skebu all the baby beer that's what dream. Why be my hair Ashanti region for the anchor? Because go ahead and do that investment. But she mauku. And the reason why you require say a friend or 32. That's all you feel Ashanti mind. Yeah, abandon. Hey, the channel if it Ashanti mind.
Now Uncle I. You all deserve obey. The regiment all deserves over.
No region. And so don't so you can pay. We don't call UK.
But oze because empayfo no omo ya ada asem no so. Asem na want to make an asem mo.
How can you waste
£3 billion
Chelsea
to buy Chelsea?
Hello, because when the man go through. Because no why serious.
And no o man hwehwe mo. But cheddar Ekas or freedom coin. Hey, over $100 million on account me. And you moko
$100 million. And no £3 billion
yen hwehwe.
And if I know £3 billion, you besides the Juma na also a minor.
Mining no starting in fear.
Miner starting everybody starting miner chill. One BTV station be radio station. MPP ba ba mu the baby. And we scan unya fe.
I want you to tell us who is your father.
I don't know papa no man.
Hey, na
who say no know papa no man.
I said Ghana say that come money na MPP before.
I didn't say ye nya no ye fan say ye papa and I bra penin watch ya. Mo direct no. No nya the right thing. Me I'm 100% sure say papa no we need to scan on account to better church. But maybe you can be the big one.
No, come for fame.
But the patrons, what does it? But what the patrons almost a social media and can be big FM Monday. In the IGP, you bet mama and cover ship. And as a BNI for big man try start case with. So for 3 million account to my and yeah to me for the Brenna, yeah Tom Oko, just so near the most ever levy. Only our estimation there a year. Scale being fee 11 and no 3 billion. Score a year, another 2 years, another 3 years, a benefit 11 and no £3 billion. And then that's all that's kind of farm work. That's meant for young toy. But who the view? Who the also the quality Chelsea in after now we are the top players. Fiscal best spending.
Ronaldo cry.
Ronaldo better. Messi the boy saying na Vinicius Junior. The papa maybe you can be the grand fan channel. But why serious is not on San Adrian. Yem tana team.
Because I see cano. Obetimi dey beam.
Scan dey
I'm a youth na ye.
Scan dey wa dia so dia. Sa 3 billion pound only one district one factory no more yen. Obetimi da be 1,000 to Ghana. 3 billion pounds yen ska koto amia. Ska koto. Nti say odi ago on ka che so odi ago. Why see us on ka che so why see us.
That's right. So let's move on to the next story for the day. You about songstress. You kind of vocal. This lady is dope, vocally inclined, lyrically inclined, and I say, sonically. I see it. Mister Ababa, how we wrong? So what's in your mind? We need Joe. I come akuma say onsu dobium na obi on ne tire nnuma ye me depa na ye obede.
I'm the best MC.
Eno na ye me depa me kan ne nwum bi em say me ref lyrics ne kakra ba me kai
me de beche wa ma wa ko.
Exactly. Indeed, lady no is very good. Na waba be tro bibi kakra oko Twitter ko posti or ko make it trades bi na yenko hwe de oye wo tweet no post here. Producer Pajo for to my wife. Or say, please, if I did a verse for you and it's past 3 years, please don't drop that song. I am definitely not the same person musically, sonically, lyrically, my sister. So do the right thing and come for the better verse from the now me, or you and heaven go clear the song. Let me restate it again. I'll say, please, if I did a verse for you and it's past 3 years, please don't drop that song. I'm definitely not the same person musically, sonically, lyrically, my sister. So do the right thing and come for the better verse from the now me, or you and heaven go clear the song. This from Hytvgh, not you now. Yes, sister, Hytvgh. EFYA. On this accord, I
make me song sweet much.
And it was I should be did that. And channel the park one for Nipa. Another bother too much. Men so me feelings. And so treat me like a man. Treat me like your sister. And make me want to baby.
Baby,
alright, so that was just by the way. When it comes to exclusive show, I mean the host and the pundits are good singers. We sing to the extent that heaven descends. What do you say? In the end, say no friend for sure. You do I 2 CDs. You're not performing our life and because we are there to downpour good music to your hearing. Alright, so that was what our sister Hytvgh said. What is your take on this?
She's speaking the truth. Only the bias is
yeah.
One feature, one verse almost 3 years ago. The voice is here.
Yeah.
I say it's only if you are that. Today you are lyrics not the baby
it's a maturity be a
maturity be a it's a I was Sako always Sako and does it the same thing.
Yeah.
And they are calling Sako the verse not the man. And it's the first no. They over to studio and it's the first no. And it's all master. It's one day one more old verse be 3 years ago the man wa Sabra or we don't can't remember. Also Sabra. Never just have verse na be new or no.
Yeah.
Not have all my verse because maybe it's a voice not change. Maybe the lyrics not the same. Maybe or new spices that come. I'm not united.
I come on.
Oh, it's Sabra back. Like and you old man 3 years ago. It's a voice not something man no for.
Sure. Sure.
A very good idea.
Exactly.
Because video be medical no be shoot video. Medical me show medical mo npa ko verse na show. Video no so mo chat wo. But one releasing him now 2022 no be releasing him. And to try new medical, now old medical la.
Vast different.
Vast different. A video require a video and last 3 years and the past 4 years video. And the other who they say what back on assistance here, say we try to tell why you and to say open video na friend boss video say the other you try and watch it. You need to for it. And new one. As a musical person, as a good person, a barber. What does it say? And one dog on the right.
Okay, so now if you are near Akyem and I believe in what she said because the vibe I know used before no. Akyem, you see her, she's a new hair and she carries a different vibe, a different thing altogether. And so the features being not spicy or music you feel it and endorsements in it will be very quiet. And to try to do the right thing by approaching her. Nanya good verses view. Now if I pull you on your money, now the sky will never be your limit. And this is from our very own Efia, the lady vocalist. Yes. Ghana Haina open vocal or buy a vocal. What jisa and nominees nene awards now to us. You can't a magic category in awards now. I see if I don't think so. Obia Jiseno. No. Always she's the one who takes it home, and she's very good. Yeah, I believe that this girl is doing very well. So now the Eco PMO if you are camp no. So we are entering to the enjoyment camp. What do you see? You're enjoyment camp, and that happens to be our last story for the day. Now you're more enjoyment camp, and now the Eco PMO you say, hey, you're Brankasa, D Black. The enjoyment minister. Oh Vera. It be me where you do me like that. Oh like that. Oh you can't say what when you cry you refer to our very own enjoyment minister D Black Desmond Blackmore. Yes, no ho abasem. And you born kwan so this time round or chipping something good for the youth and also pushing an agenda which the entire youth had to follow and support. Because if we do follow and support at the end of the day, it's going to benefit us all here. And now the enjoyment minister Akyem, that guy he be rich.
Hey, one of the like dusted musicians in Ghana.
Because he's very rich, but for me to have read this thing from him, I mean I'm quite surprised. Producer, I'm about to fatu on eja we are nine pacing. Okay, so this from the enjoyment minister. Enjoyment minister. I say, town make hard. Nah, government aren't helping the people like promised. There are no jobs. There are no incentives for the lower class. The economy isn't doing well on numerous fronts. The city is depreciating so fast. The people are going through it. So let me restate it again. On the town make hard. Nah, government aren't helping the people like promised. There are no jobs. There are no incentives for the lower class. The economy isn't doing well on numerous fronts. The city is depreciating so fast. The people are going through it. Now there's a tweet that our very own enjoyment minister D Black actually made. I think yesterday or 3 days back, and you know, we know Desmond as one of the rich musicians in Ghana, a business-minded musician in Ghana. I don't know, say obi betima compare no when it comes to business-wise, when economy music field more, business-wise, I think he's #1 in Ghana.
Oh yeah. The guy.
Because he have a couple of businesses.
Yeah, he get brain. I know a businessman, or a philanthropist. About and I drain a mood door. I know first friend papa.
Okay.
So no, Sanya Sando businessman there or and also the music account. Now the D Black actually a very bold step about because this is what they have to stand for.
Of course,
D Black and his colleagues. That celebrities and I say influencers no, this what they have to stand for. Maybe me na metia me kasa endudu. Maybe obi no ti toilet no and o ti market a o ton mu ko ni jeni no. O kasa endu baby a. Ba wu na wu like nyame abo na wo do top no. O kasa maybe e do aban no and I say penfo no.
Of course.
First in Ghana o kasa say ya we MPP NDC. And then celebrities baby now man out e me kasa no. O study a sa kwada to you MPP ni we to you MPP Shatawale yesi MPP stomo ever to you for gawam say e ho na say a omo stomo NDC ni wala say Shatawale be bo aban no so say a o 11 ho omo say Shatawale so NDC ni sa kwada be tweet na say a kan say 11 no asem bibi say Ghana skana yedi taxes o hu so fa so and so because Sakore air blast government. Oh, the amount paid for and then celebrities no. I want to voice out because Musro, we don't want commercial people. And the voice out is here no NDC people. Nejuma ne be there. Abegu. Sana Ghana yeah. But can you say sana here or the money here komla. What say? Obeto nyuma MPP pe na guy no su carry here. But the here Mr. Beautiful. One of the Obeka be find the NPP owner and one also the carrier there. A shatai, and I'm the Jaco. Ghana no start politics and high and like a good country no. And the boss step now finance enjoyment minister Obeka be black because one on our clubs. And the NDC for bow MPP for bow. So I take that bold step now. Like he doesn't mind. Say, oh, we have been mommy the club. And now
the guy is actually standing for the youth.
Because as we are talking, he's opening a radio station.
Yeah.
On another radio station. And to be about creating employment. The government has failed us. Failure. Promises with the money so. But free SHS, how is it going? How is the free SHS going? Me baby school, but me need person baby. The number of time other time you don't share the number of time you go to school. Yeah. Muslim one dish one factory. Matuna only two one dish one factory. Matuna. So what are they doing? But remember how Bekanya said, dollar on show mu on arrest dollar but it's a dollar that's what going to prison am on IGP they say dollar na jana for prison no they say dollar dollar no am say dollar o jana speed why that tie
but Ghana head
you ba o mu tete some way no me bring am and to mu ba no na him say Ghana best America but there hardship upon hardship. The 70 third year. Who's all to mean tongue 1 year?
Serious.
Someone is Emma and 4 year demonstration teachers. Share a NAPCO beneficiaries. Like, I tell you, NAPCO worker be the letter back your company. So, per Juma, because the honey, the Janica. Meaning, teacher, you are 12 almost 6 months, 7 months. The NAPCO money, MI.
Now, next is for multiple 52,000. No. Check. Or maybe a graduate nurses 52,000. They haven't been employed yet.
So what are they doing? What are this government doing? He himself about previous about number so no you. It's a vote mama. Na mumu buy there na mo yamaye. What are they doing? Are we going back to our old days? Yes, sir. So what first no?
Ose sir in painful way campo in question no. If they had even created some job opportunities be around and a youth need be be company it would have been better because when it comes to this enjoyment minister AD Black many who there were creating companies me or so company or club or FM radio stations there or how 50 workers for the radio will be I said a record label so I am playing for so on. I said I'll call the club so I am playing for. Inti ono kwa as an individual no only worker and put or to more than 80 workers ka.
Yeah.
Inti ono say individual to me yes adi we are. Na in painful no ono still is complaining say the town make water. Now how much more the lower class people?
He is not speaking for himself. Kasa maye.
Yeah, I do know.
He'll feel for us or feel maye. What I say? Because only more no, I was can put on. Who's now things are going up and like normally issues be popular by very hard. And do okay yet what for that yeah brand the other west.
It's a sure no.
I always say it's a minute water company for my team yeah complain here. Who is a Ghana say shortage of water?
So no.
It's a
so no Ghana baby.
So are we going forward or we are going back? 21st century, what is going on? Akufo-Addo system, what is going on? I thought so you stand for change.
Well, change way the address so many. Change way address so because sir Okas you are standing in for change. Yes, we did understood him when the government actually came. So they are into change things. They are going to create more jobs opportunity. The economy is going to be stable. Things are going to run very well. But you see, I'm put here at Tia Pansam.
To be frank, and you see, I know more ginseng, and no more Tia Pansam. Oh, baby, be a fan one, or more young fan. Because me complaining will be our normal neighbor, or more than one about coronavirus. But coronavirus, one, Uko pass, Uko class, Igusu, I enjoy. Ukom or a parliament, or more to baby. Ukom and Omu redeem and Mizman, or more rallies, or Bontin, or more a funerals. And the coronavirus, that's what all here. Coronavirus, that's what because coronavirus by me, they say WHO, World Health Organization, release this car, and World Bank for to release this car. And where is the money?
Oh,
scan of release and wire, whatever wire.
Scan the I mean so.
There is a test, COVID-19 test, come with 500 cities, the same. So where are those money? Because Ghana you sound. What the Ghana for no team for see e be unyansa. Who tell you you be voting and say on the see. Skirt and brown. Oh yeah. Because we say now, it's a Ghana one for ground two for ma. You be do your doc kwa. Of course. And then Ghana for you complain baby. And you say you need us no. Omo you wicked na bisa. Mo say now, your taxes na you twia no. Enya su aduma no mo dey mai. What are the taxes snake? And you live in a complaint. You live in a bit jet near Pia. But you live in a jituma, and you want to be a may. On make creative employment, on make creative avenues, on make creative like an mobile Mayana. Schools are not beauty school. 21st century, who is the Ghana 21st century? Student eti a form video. 21st century, you need classrooms. You need a hospitals. So what is going on? Any taxes in the episode, but then say you cut taxes now. You won't do more with the year. And you pay for a movie. So for no money be found. They had a river station near bombs. So near bombs. I'm also a nipa.
Okay, so this a strong one from our very own entertainment pundit Obuoba. What do you see? From the beginning, like I told you earlier, this guy is superb. Like the punches are really on point. When he's throwing the fire, you feel the fire. You feel see yes, this guy is very okay for the government. Government to need the channel and also be shower. All right, so Ahana Embreno Ede Besi na mina bibi kakraka.
Ministry ka me dey can say da we bia so hwe na otie na mo share ye normal ye nyina na mo hwe ye TV station so na mo gusu hwe na the normal bebre de bremo ana ade ba come say that my youth ni say we shouldn't depend on the government. What I say ye bo government ye bo mo so na ye so ye bibi ma na the bia na be bo e be ka the government made my na what me no dey na so ya ma. What I say, create something for yourself, do something. What I say, so there one day be fa. What I say,
of course.
So quit something, and then yeah, baku. My coach be a manager. I say, never give up when doing something. Just keep going. Men give it up because the sky is the limit. What I say, don't give up on your life. Just focus. Put more hard work. Now you
okay. So now that was the last words from my brother Oboba. The exclusive show and the hour someone. I'm boy watching the show no Abremo. Me me di dwumadi on channel me friend me MCI. Could be follow me on all social media handles. Facebook MCI or Instagram MC_Ike. For every other thing beyond, you can link me up so that we vibe there. We can meet there and talk. I mean, talk about life. What they say, and what for most so much saying, and my meet me the Jumedi Bremo, and York Estate Limited, and then Papa fee. So, open so they want only one casa fee. Now, yes, say, oh, Miss enemy Fira, and the Bomodiana Koshi show, Mochimemo, now new Mundins also, or must share a Kaswa, Quantum Pond, so a Kalabuli Junction. Star Oil filling station in Champe, or more Abrasaya at Tosum, so, more officer, no better common fee, near opinion on my day, on my armor, or my and sassy home papers, litigations knows they are free, as a severe litigation free. I also not make come for York mineral water amount. They say I super it will just run a York mineral water. No be not quench with taste, now also feel like benze. So I also not make come for your Adam's clothing, so Eddie amount, entirely Papa fee. Also looking sweet for any occasions via and one Adam's clothing. So I also not make come for Sarabo Hotel, so Eddie amount. So baby I do over the weekends and one Sarabo Hotel. Now kohonum na kodwodwo ho na omaye crowd amount. So also na bi opeso ye wedding, ope event center ye wedding. Honum so omo event center kese ye wedding, ye occasions bia honum. So na enkunwa so the only problem. Omo nkunwa ni na bi the bride betina so, the guest be betina so, the wine be betina so, ni na be available. Sounds no more poolside so on for relaxation. Maybe I know dofu be when you country maybe one side or person mo have a cool time or so available. Or more restaurant so on. I'll bet me akodi. If Johnny be our pay or breakfast, lunch, supper, nina and a pub so SHH here. Nyame boa April ye hosting a pool party Sarabo Hotel. Na enche bia be abeto no na mu nyina mahu na mafolo na ye no mo ayede akakwa gini for the Easter ni dey etem Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday no near their climax bibia Sarabo Hotel. So ati ase nti start say we see ska ye nje wan hin bia bra be giwe ni keke na beton sa ne page ni bi na yede na movie mo so for MCI na me de Jumedi Abron asida kese ekoma ejumewura Mr. and Mrs. Sarkodie and na nche tosubium ekoma me mame owo me ya che awo techiman and na nche bium enkoma me papa Mr. Matthew awo New York and the tosubium ekoma my girlfriend baby I will be yes your sweetheart me love you guys I love you pa me sweetheart ono onim dada yeah social media definitely you know me and asida kese pa enkoma crew na omo eche amobo amayetimi di Jumedi eba life emo bia hwe MCR Benedict aka Favor and second MCR Mr. Emmanuel Ankra and your producer Mr. Nana Ajman Ransford Nana Ajman Ransford aka Trimude and your receptionist Mami Nancy Yamisha Muina. Semenshia also your blogger bakope. Enche bia mbehu sa information is when on social media no so. Trimudena Semenshia ena ebwa ema sa Jumedi no so akoso. Nti me da obi bia ase. Nyame boa ochina same time. Ye be say shebio. Bye bye makram. Bye.
You don't don't envy if you blow with the blow. If you blow with the blow.
Machine is paid for. Do you profit to tarnish your border? Punjami, 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 Punjami.